Okay, guys, this art project is actually really simple. You just need a black pen with a fine tip point. You can use a fine tip Sharpie like that, the narrow point, because I think you want to get some precision lines, or you can go and get a fancier actual drawing pen. You're gonna use a coffee mug to create your circles. And so all I did was I laid down my coffee mug and I traced right around it. So I'd like you guys to have 6 to 8 different overlapping circles. Now remember, you want to think about how the viewer's eye is going to move across the picture. So don't just have everything centered in one location. You can even have, half a circle coming off the side of the page if you wanted. So if you want to do something like that for one of them, that's totally fine. Just remember, you still are going to fill that space in with some pattern. So I've already got a couple different pattern ideas happening. I didn't want to take too much time in the video drawing patterns, but basically every overlapping section is going to be its own unique pattern. And you don't want things to be too repeating too close to each other, because then it will just become this kind of blur of the same pattern over and over again. So I've uploaded an image that has a variety of patterns for you to choose from, or just to spur your own ideas, and then another picture of some really wild Zentangles. And so you guys can see how creative you can get with it. But it doesn't have to be too crazy. But again, basically, I've got a separate pattern in each little overlapping section. If you want to add color to some of these, by all means do that. I'm just using this very simple black pen. So for example, if I wanted to use this section right here, I'm going to do something unique like this. So I'm going to color in some bars. Making a video here, Mrs. Purdy. So I'm coloring in these bars. And then between the bars, I might have something unique. I'm going to just get to coloring so you guys get the idea. So now let's say I want to have some wavy lines. So again, it's just a repetitive pattern in each of these areas. You guys can kind of see where I'm going with this, right? Now I'm just rushing, so please do not do the same. I'm doing it because I have limited time on this video. But basically, that's what's going to happen in each of these different areas. You're going to have different patterns for each of the overlapping areas. And then you'll have a pretty unique piece of art when you're all done. Okay, so that's it. Again, you got some simple materials. This is just regular white printer paper, a black pen, and then, like I said, 6 to 8 different overlapping circles. And this is going to be due on Friday. All right, enjoy.